I'm Amy from Doodle Dog Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to get your weaver's cloth drum tight in a punch needle gripper strip frame. Let's get started. I've got my gripper strip frame here, and I've got a piece of high quality weaver's cloth. In the weaver's cloth, if you look very closely, you can see the strands of fiber that were woven to create the fabric, and they're straight going in perpendicular lines. And when you get your weaver's cloth tight, you want to make sure that your grain lines, these lines, continue to be straight and don't end up all wavy. I'm going to center the weaver's cloth over the gripper strip frame and allow the gripper strips to catch hold of the fabric. Hold the fabric down on one side with one hand and use your other hand to gently lift the fabric on the opposite side. Gently lift and then pull and set it back down to let the gripper strips grab it again. And then turn the frame 90 degrees. And repeat this lift and pull process. Turn the frame 90 degrees again. Lift and pull. And at this point, my fabric is drum tight, or tight as the top of a drum. And then my last step is to put my gripper frame cozy over here so I don't snag my hands on the gripper strips and cause an injury. And now I'm ready to start punching. Once you get the fabric tight in the gripper strip frame, it will remain tight the entire time you punch until you take the fabric back off of the frame. I hope you found this helpful. Be sure to click the like button and subscribe below. I'll see you next time. Bye.